friends, welcome back to the channel. So it's already like summer outside. It's literally 30 degrees and just the other week was probably like 10-15. So Canada doesn't really have like a proper spring, but that's sped up my allergies quite a bit. So yeah, we're just gonna show you, or I'm just gonna show you the orders of the week kind of thing. And I got some cool orders from like Mexico and New Zealand. So okay, start with a cinnamon roll one. Boop. This one's going to Virginia. Okay, and then try not to show the addresses. This one's going to Georgia. We have a Kuromi hot pink. Lots of chain chokers selling. And this was an order from my website to clear out earrings, romantic dollcore vibes. And then we have another Kuromi going to New Zealand. So hopefully this postage isn't like totally marked up. I have no idea, but you kind of have to trial and error with small business because normally international shipping is way sometimes cheaper than Canada wide, but whatever. Oh, and I got this cute request for a order to Mexico. The fiance will be getting this and then ordered it ahead of time so I could have it in stock. So we love that. And then some more earrings. Oh no, don't fall. Ah! Okay. Some Sailor Luna kitten, cows, and some bloody roses. What else do we have? Hold on. And then one of my faves who's always returning, Lex got this for themselves, I believe. And then, ooh, a she, they pronoun she. So we love that. And that's about it so far. My hair is nice and big and long, so I think I'm gonna be braiding it all summer, but yeah. See you in the next clip. Hello friends, as you can see, I've been enjoying my neon nails, maybe the best I've done yet. So it's a couple days later. I haven't really been doing a whole ton. I always just get my coffee runs and then do my little small business stuff during the day. So last night I had like a horrible, like horrific like dream because I was looking at like Japanese like horror art that I found on YouTube, which was really cool and actually inspired me. But then I had this horrible like torture nightmare. So as like a horror fan, that doesn't really happen to me much. So I mean, I guess that's what's going on. And then I'm just going to the coffee shop again and probably gonna chill outside. I'll show you guys my backyard. It's like a whole oasis thanks to my mom and my dad. Yeah. So yeah. To vacuum, but then there's Ben just napping. I like a loaf. Okay, now we're up in the workshop and I'm going to show you a little mini haul of some Crocs that just came at my doorstep. So these are Croc slides and I love my platform Crocs in black, but I needed like a slip-on shoe. So here's the Croc slides in taffy pink. Very cute. They seem comfy so far. And then we have, what's the color? Ice blue. So I do like to experiment with like pastels and like in accessories and stuff. I do wear a lot of black, as you may notice, but yeah. So these are cute too. These are two colors side by side. Cute for the summer, the cottage vibe. And then I actually was planning to get little, you know, the gibbets, but order like Kuromi and My Melody on the pink ones, like a black and pink charm vibe on the little thingies here. And then for this color, get like cinnamon roll. And then I don't know who else, maybe just whatever, cinnamon roll. And yeah, that's the Crocs haul. We love wearable fashion. I could use more of that. Also need like some summer tanks. Anyways, yeah. Now I'll show you what I actually need to ship out. Probably at the beginning of next week. I did a big post office run last week. I think I included that, I hope so. Anyways, this is the last cinnamon roll pentagram choker. I sold 5 of the cinnamon roll and 5 of the Kuromis, so that's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool knowing you have a product that sells, and I really like these anyways, and they're a lot like a comfortable option for a choker. Oh yeah, what also sold is the little Brat Hello Kitty chunky chain. I want to bring this back but modify it a bit with like rhinestoney letters. So yeah, package that up. Oh yeah, so I have like a little clear out section of earrings that have been in my shop for a while because I have a lot of charms. So earrings are pretty, you know, easy to make. So they're really affordable. Some of them are like $6 even. And then there's like $2.50 letter mail shipping in Canada. So you can get yourself a cute little kawaii or gothic pair. And then we have our packaging. Once again, you get free stickers. And then you get a little business card with all my socials. These also sold as well, these little doll heads. I think I'm gonna make a blood splatter lace collar because I did make one on a plushie, like a kind of like a Lolita little bonnet, not bonnet, like a headpiece on a plushie that I did. So I figured out that watching my horror the other night that I could do that. So yeah. So yeah, expect some creepy things in soon. Well, not in a couple months. And then lastly that we have already is the Kuromi chain pinnacle choker. I really like this colorway too because I did also have black with hot pink pinnacles. But I think this one's really cohesive with the white on the Kuromi and then the white on the pinnacles. And then yeah, I got another sale today of the Stoner Hello Kitty pearl, so we'll make that for the shipment next week. And I think that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay friends, so we're gonna take these little parcels to the post office. It's about half of what I have to mail out now, so in the next vlog you'll see what's in the next shipment. So yeah, see you in the next vid. Thanks for watching. Bye.